true living bread. Jesus is our God and our brother. With his flesh and blood we are fed. Everyone who loves is born of God. Jesus is our life, God is love. We who break this bread are one body. We who share this cup are all one. Children of our Father in heaven, we are as with God's only Son. Everyone who loves is born of God. Jesus is our life, God is love. Jesus is the vine, we the branches. We are grains of wheat, Christ the bread. Those who eat this bread live forever, one with Christ our Lord.